Working with Wii U game preservation or backup files and encounter WUP update data. These files contain official Nintendo update content for Wii U titles. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through handling these Wii U game update files appropriately. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky WUP errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A WUP file contains update data for a Nintendo Wii U game or application. Users typically encounter these files when manually downloading and installing game updates, or DLC, downloadable content, onto a homebrewed or modified console. These files must be installed using specific homebrew tools to patch the game. The WUP format is a proprietary binary container designed by Nintendo. It holds encrypted game data, metadata, and installation instructions. This structure ensures content integrity, prevents unauthorized modification, and manages dependencies, allowing the Wii U system to apply updates securely and atomically. The fundamental software link for WUP files is built around Nintendo Wii U by Nintendo. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the WUP file and choose Open With. If you have Nintendo Wii U available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If the WUP file won't open, don't panic. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, installing on Wii U Console. Use the official Nintendo Wii U eShop on your console to download and install legitimate game updates, which automatically applies WUP files to installed games. Connect the Wii U to the internet and check for updates through the system menu. The console handles WUP files automatically without manual user intervention or file management. Next, using homebrew tools. For Wii U consoles with Aroma or Tiramisu, homebrew environments use WUP Installer GX2 or NUS-Supply to install WUP update packages from SD card or USB storage. Place WUP files in the install folder structure and launch the installer through the Homebrew menu. This approach is used for legitimate game preservation efforts. Finally, inspecting update contents. Use Wii U file extraction tools like cdcrypt or specialized WUP analysis utilities to examine the contents of update packages with appropriate decryption keys. These tools reveal the file structure within updates, including code modules, graphic assets, and configuration changes. This activity is for technical research and homebrew development purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.